CreateProcess returned 2E4 error, d3d11 error on PC. 1. Restart your PC, close Steam and Far Far West completely, restart your computer normally, launch the game again afterward. Shush. 2. Verify game files. Open Steam Library, click Far Far West, click Properties, Installed Files, verify integrity of game files. 3. Install DirectX Runtime, download and install latest DirectX Runtime. Make sure DirectX 11 components are installed. Restart your PC after installation. 4. Update graphics drivers. Install latest NVIDIA A or Intel GPU drivers. Use clean installation option if available. Restart your PC afterward. 5. Run the game as administrator. Right-click Far Far West Win64 shipping.exe. Select Run as administrator. Also run Steam as administrator. Header 6. Reinstall Microsoft Visual C++. Install Visual C++ 2015-2022 redistributables. Install both x64 and x86 versions. Restart your PC after installation. 7. Disable antivirus and Windows security temporarily. Turn off third-party virus temporarily. Allow Far Far West through Windows security. Relaunch the game afterward. 8. Delete corrupted config files. Press Windows R, type sent local app data %, and press enter. Delete Far Far West cache config files carefully. Force the game to use DirectX 11. Open Steam launch options. Add DX11 launch command. Save changes and relaunch the game. Header 10. Reinstall the game if issue continues. Uninstall Far Far West completely. Delete leftover game folders manually. Install a fresh copy of the game again.